Hello, welcome to another episode of Sacpro TV. Today we're going to talk about Houseliner FL. And there are three important things to think about when you do installation with Houseliner FL. And with me today to explain, Freddy.
Hello.
And first thing that is important to think about is to add length when you have some bends inside the pipe. And Freddy, how much do you need to add if you have, for example, a 45 bend or a 90 bend?
45 bend, approximately 5 centimeters extra for each bend, and 90 bends, approximately 10 centimeters for each bend.
Okay, so 45-degree bend, 5 centimeter extra, and 90-degree bend, 10 centimeters extra. And the other important thing to think about while doing installation with Houseliner is if you have dimension change. So if you go from DN100 up to DN150, you need to add length as well. And Freddy, how much do you need to add if you have a dimension change?
Approximately 10% in bigger dimensions.
Okay, so approximately 10% additional length if you have a bigger dimension. So one more important thing to do when installing Houseliner. Once you put the drum in place and ready to do your installation, you need to get the liner inside of the old pipe just in the beginning and then add pressure on the liner so you get the right dimension of the pipe before you start shooting it out inside of the pipe. And why is that so important, Freddy, to do it like that?
Because you want it always to be pressurized to the old pipe, so it doesn't go like loose in the pipe. You want to put the air out, and also when you come to bends, you want them to go all the way to the outside corner, so they don't do a shortcut, and for the length part, so you can end it where you have measured it.
Yeah,
as close as you can.
And also we have a good to know about Houseliner FL, and that is how much you can fit inside of, for example, 700 drum. And Freddy, how much can you fit?
For example, this Houseliner FL 100 to 150, 3mm one. In stacked, we can fit 45 meters, and maximum capacity 70 meters.
Okay, so is that with resin or without resin?
It is with resin.
Okay, that's a lot.
Yes.
That's really good. All right, Freddy, thanks for today.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
Bye. Ja, det får du klippa till.
Bye bye. Bye, 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 bye. Jag sa bye, bye, bye. Det är bye.